The Saskatchewan government made a surprise announcement on Tuesday, moving up the timeline for outdoor team sports to this Sunday from its original date of mid-June in step 2 of its reopen plan. In its weekly COVID newser, Premier Moe said that people that are choosing not to get vaccinated and saying that they're protecting their freedom are actually doing the opposite.
So if you really want all your freedoms back, go get in line and get vaccinated. It's really not that big of a deal. We're not asking you to storm the beaches of Normandy. All we're asking you to do is to go in and to get a tiny needle in your arm. Every day, thousands of people all around the world are working very hard to develop and produce safe and effective vaccines for all of us to have access to.
Moe says of the 136 people in hospital battling COVID-19, the vast majority have not been vaccinated. Dr. Saqib Shahab says those that were vaccinated and admitted to hospital had other health conditions.
A very small number of people who were vaccinated had other serious comorbidities, were older, and ended up in hospital. We also had people who were admitted for a long period of time and ultimately passed away.
Now, the hospitalization story next door in Manitoba is much different. More than double the amount of patients are in hospital there than in Saskatchewan, and that has led Saskatchewan to offer some help to its neighbor by allowing a few ICU patients to be cared for in the province's hospitals.
Starting, I believe, tomorrow, we'll accept our first patient from Manitoba. They will be sent to an ICU that's likely not Saskatoon or Regina, because as you know, we have capacity outside of that. And then the plan is to look on a day-by-day basis for the next 5 days to look at if we have the ability to support and transfer basically a patient a day.
Saskatchewan's school vaccination program starts next week. More than 12,000 youth have already been vaccinated. Scott Livingstone says that will allow them to still offer some appointment and walk-in clinics for seniors needing a second dose starting next month. Adam Hunter, CBC News, Regina.